Hello Mariners, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we dive in deep into a crucial tool for every deck officer, an STCW-Aligned rubric for assessing core navigational tasks. Whether you're a cadet, an experienced officer, or an instructor, this framework will help you benchmark and improve your skills on the bridge. We'll break down everything from creating user charts to collision avoidance, using a simple 1 to 5 rating scale, where 1 is needs improvement and 5 is excellent. Let's get started! First up, user chart creation. This is about more than just drawing lines. It's about creating a living, breathing safety layer on your An excellent or 5 rating means you're not just marking hazards. You're creating a comprehensive, well-annotated, user-defined layer. This includes safety contours, no-go areas, and any other critical information. The chart should be so clear and detailed that another officer can understand it at a glance. It is also vital that this layer can be correctly exported for records or for the next watch. On the other end of the scale, a 1 would be an incomplete or incorrect layer, which is a serious safety risk. A 3 or satisfactory rating means the basic safety zones are marked, but it might lack the detail and clarity needed for complex passages. The goal is to make your user chart a powerful tool for situational awareness. Tied directly to user charts is critical point identification. This is your ability to pinpoint and clearly mark essential points along your route. We're talking about wheelover points, pilot boarding stations, points of no return, and shallow patches that require extra caution. An excellent performance here means all these points are marked with absolute precision and clear labels explaining their relevance. A good or 4 rating might mean you've identified most points, but perhaps some labels are vague. A fair rating, or a 2, is when some points are identified but they might be inaccurate, leading to potential confusion. Missing most of these critical points is a major red flag and scores a 1 as it shows a fundamental gap in passage planning. Precise marking isn't just about compliance. It's about proactive, safe navigation. Now, let's talk about the heart of any voyage. Route planning. Creating a route isn't just connecting waypoints. An excellent route is a masterpiece of efficiency, safety, and compliance. It's highly optimized for fuel and time, considers environmental regulations, and is structured logically with correct speed and ETA inputs for each leg. This is what we call a 5-star route. A satisfactory or 3-rated route is safe and generally logical, but it might not be the most efficient path. It gets the job done, but there's room for optimization. A route that is safe but inefficient, perhaps taking a much longer path than necessary without a good reason, would be considered fair. An unsafe or completely disorganized route that puts the vessel at risk is, of course, a 1 and is unacceptable. Remember, a great route plan is the foundation of a successful voyage. Once the route is planned, it must be validated. This step is non-negotiable. Route validation is where you rigorously check your plan against all available data. A 5 or excellent validation goes beyond just running the automated check in the act. It includes a thorough team review, final sign-off from the master, and the creation of a backup or alternative route in case of contingencies. This is comprehensive risk management. A good rating would mean the route is validated and reviewed by a senior officer. Satisfactory means a basic check was performed, ensuring it's clear of dangers according to the system. However, just running the check without documenting it properly would be a 2, as there's no proof of due diligence. An unchecked route that might contain hidden hazards is a clear 1 foot and a severe breach of safe practice. Validation is your final safety net before execution. Let's shift our focus from planning to execution, starting with contact tracking. On the bridge, you're constantly monitoring traffic using radar eyes and ARPA. Excellence in this area means you are accurately tracking all contacts, not just the obvious ones. You're using CPA and TCPA data proactively, utilizing overlays to build a complete picture, and making early, decisive, and Colregs-compliant decisions to maintain a safe passing distance. This is a 5 performance. A good officer tracks all priority targets and makes timely decisions. A satisfactory performance might involve correct tracking, but with slower judgment, which can reduce your options in a developing situation. If you're only tracking a few contacts and your responses are unclear, That's a 2. Rarely tracking contacts or making slow, incorrect decisions is a 1 and puts the vessel in immediate danger. Finally, all this tracking leads to the most critical action, collision avoidance, and the application of coal regs. This is where theory meets reality. An excellent score of 5 isn't just about avoiding a collision. It's about making correct, early, and substantial actions that are fully compliant with the rules of the road. It also involves meticulously logging your actions and the contact's information. A good performance means your actions are mostly correct and your logs are kept. A satisfactory or 3 rating indicates a basic application of the rules, but there's clear room for improvement in the timing or execution of maneuvers. Delayed actions and incomplete logs would earn a 2. And of course, making incorrect or dangerous decisions that escalate a situation is a 1 and represents a critical failure in watchkeeping. Mastery of coal regs is the hallmark of a professional mariner. So there you have it, a comprehensive rubric for evaluating key navigational by honestly assessing ourselves against these standards, from user chart creation all the way to collision avoidance. We can identify our strengths and, more importantly, our areas for improvement. This isn't just about passing an exam. It's about upholding the highest standards of safety and professionalism at sea. Use this framework to guide your training, mentor junior officers, and continuously hone your skills. Because in our profession, excellence isn't just a goal, it's a necessity. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this breakdown was helpful for you. If you found value in this video, please hit that like button, share it with your fellow mariners, and subscribe to our channel for more content designed to help you navigate your career. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.